Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Let's make banana bread using sorghum flour today. That's one of my favorite. Take 3 bananas and you can see 2 little bananas are from the banana tree at my home. Mash them properly. So this time I have listed all the ingredients with the quantities at start of the videos. I hope that helps. Try to use ripe banana so that we have to use less sugar, although we are using coconut sugar only. Now we're gonna start adding all the ingredients. First we're gonna add flax seeds. Excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, lignans which have potential health benefits. They also acts as a binding agent in baking. Then cacao powder. I'm using cacao powder which is less processed and retains most of its natural compounds and antioxidants. Then add coconut sugar. Here you can use dates instead of coconut sugar. It's your choice. You can use any sweetener as long as it's natural and not highly processed. Then we're gonna add pinch of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt here. Add vanilla extract. This is optional. If you want to add it, you can. Otherwise, you can just simply skip it. Now add oil. I'm using avocado oil here. You can use any oil of your choice. Olive oil, coconut oil. Mix everything well together. And you can see it's nice and sunny from my kitchen window after a few days of raining in a row. Once everything is mixed well together, we're gonna add baking soda and baking powder. We are adding this towards the end to reduce the time between prepping and baking. So once we add these two, we're gonna add sorghum flour. Here you can add any flour like almond flour, wheat flour, or any flour of your choice. But trust me, try this with sorghum flour once. You won't regret it. Don't add the flour in one go, otherwise it will be hard to mix. Sorghum flour is my current favorite gluten-free grain, rich in fiber, protein, and various essential nutrients including vitamin B, minerals such as magnesium and iron. This is very important step to make sure the flour is mixed well. Now add crushed almonds and walnuts. You can add any other nut of your choice. Now you have to be quick from this step because we don't want to delay baking because we have added baking soda and baking powder. You know, whenever I'm making any snacks, I always consider portion size, the amount of sugars and fats that I'm adding. If we are using whole unprocessed ingredients like I have used in this bread, which is healthier choice compared to traditional recipe that might contain more refined ingredients, you can still satisfy your craving and enjoy guilt-free. Here I'm using sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, but you can use any sort of other toppings like coconut, shredded coconut, or maybe save some nuts to garnish at this stage. Now it's all ready to be baked. So here I'm baking in 2 stages. The first stage is at 180 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Then at second stage, raise the temperature to 200 for 20 to 25 minutes. You can reduce or increase the time by checking if it's cooked or not. So I always use fork to check if it's cooked. You can see that in a video, it's cooked properly. So here it is. This banana bread is a blend of wholesome ingredients, offers a nutritionally rich treat. Bananas contribute natural sweeteners and fiber, while sorghum flour adds a gluten-free, nutrient-dense base. Coconut sugar provides a lower glycemic alternative to refined sugar. Flaxseed offers omega-3 and binding properties, and cacao powder brings antioxidants. Avocado oil provides heart-healthy fats, while vanilla extract enhances flavor without additives. Almonds and walnuts add crunch and nutrient density, and pumpkin and sunflower seeds further boost texture and nutritional value. This banana bread strikes a balance between indulgence and nutrition, making it a delightful and health-conscious choice. This bread is suitable for those with dietary restrictions such as gluten intolerance thanks to sorghum flour. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.